Today we will see the next part of the lesson, that is the algebraic expression and operation on them. Under this lesson we had seen how to identify the different types of polynomials or algebraic expression. If one term is there, as I told you before only, it is called as monomial. If two terms are there, it is called binomials. Three terms are there, it is called trinomials, and more than three terms if it is there, it is called as a polynomial. After that, in last lecture we had seen the addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. Inside it I told you that if we want to add the algebraic expression, we have to add the terms, like terms we can add, otherwise we cannot do the addition. Means for that I gave you the examples of we cannot add the bat and ball together. Okay, we can add bat into bat and ball into ball. Similarly, if x term is there, we can add it into the x term. If x square is there, we can add into the x squares term. So in this way we have to do the addition. I told you to complete the practice set 33 completion. Then next today we are going to see the subtraction of algebraic expression. For that, here you know that 18 minus 7. So 18 minus 7 means you can do it easily. Bigger number minus smaller number means 18 minus 7 is equal to 11 and bigger number sign. Okay, this is the simple way. Suppose if I will write here x and here if I will add the x, then here 18x plus 17x, here it is x, and minus 17x is equal to 18 minus 7 is equals to 11. X is its answer. With it we have, if x square is there, you can do it here, x square will common. And but if here here x is there and here y is there, then we cannot add these two or subtract these two terms. Okay, so first of all we will see some of the examples. Here it is given that 9 minus 4x. So when such a type of example will come in the exam, what we have to do at first, 9x minus 4x. So x is there, you just take it common outside here, and here 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equals to 5, and here it is x. So the answer of 9x minus 4x is equals to 5x. In this way we have to solve the example. Now the another, if it is a monomial, then we can do it very easily. Okay, but if it is a binomial, if it is a trinomial, at that time what happens, we are facing the problems when problems of solving. So for that, here one example is given, so that we will write 16x plus 23y plus 12z, and then another it is 9x minus 27y and plus 14z. So we have to do the subtraction of this term. So how to do this? We can do it in two ways. First is the horizontal arrangement and second is the vertical. So both these methods I will show you now. So first of all, here I will write the example. What is the question? 16x minus 23y and plus 12z minus into bracket here 9x minus 27y. If negative sign will be there, means whenever we are doing the subtraction of any polynomial, at that time it is compulsory to put the bracket for that given polynomial, and here it is plus 12z. Okay, now here first of all we have to remove the bracket. So for that, negative signs before whichever terms is there or whichever polynomial is there, you have to write here as it is. So here it is 16x minus 23y plus 12z. Now here the negative signs after one polynomial is there, it's a sign we have to change, and for that we have to use the rules of the integer, that is गलत बात को सही कहना, जो rules मैंने बताए थे, that we have to follow here. So here because of this negative sign, the signs which are inside the bracket, second bracket, will change. the plus term becomes minus and minus term becomes plus. So here 9x is positive, here it will be negative, so here minus 9x. 27y is negative, it will change its sign with the positive because of this negative sign. Okay, so here it is 27y. Then plus 12z is there, it will be minus 12z. Okay, now the next step of this is we have to take the like terms together. So 16x and 9x, right here together, 16x minus 9x. Okay, then y's term we will write together. So minus 23y plus 27y we will write here. Then we have to write the z's term together. So here it is 12z and minus 12z. Okay, sorry, here 14 is there in question, here 14. So here 14z will come at this place. Okay, now 16 minus 9, it will be, how much it is there, 16 minus 9, its answer is the 7x. A sign which we have to give, the bigger number sign we have to give. The 16 minus 9 is equal to 7, sign is plus because of 16 is the greatest number and greatest term is the positive, that's why answer is the 7x. Similarly here also the y will come here common, and 27 minus 23 is the 4 and sign will be bigger number. So 27 is bigger, its a sign will get the answer. And then here 14 minus, here 14 minus 12 is equal to 2z, and here 14 is the biggest term, biggest number, and its sign is negative, that's why answer is negative. So this is the horizontal method. By this method we can solve the algebraic expressions subtraction. So here what we had done, first we gave the brackets and in between bracket negative sign is there. First bracket right here as it is by removing bracket, and second bracket sign will change it. So 9 plus 9x, it will be minus 9x, minus 27, it will be plus 27, 14 is positive, it will be negative. Then here we have to take like terms together, and like terms we have to do the subtraction. So 7x plus 4y minus 12z is its answer. Okay, in this way, here in question I think I took the sign different, that's why here the sign change. This also I will explain. This bracket right here as it is negative, then here this all the terms becomes change their sign. 9x is positive, it is negative, here it is positive, negative, it is positive. So here 16 minus, now take the like terms together, then take the here y's term together, and then take the z's term together. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7x. 25 and 27, here the sign, I think signs mistake was there, I had done. So here do the correction. 23 plus 27 is 50y, and here these two subtraction is the 2z. Okay, now whenever we are doing the vertical arrangement inside the subtraction, first of all the first bracket is there, you have to write here as it is, like 16x plus 23y plus 12z, and then here, so here 16x minus 23y plus 12z, and here 9x minus 27y, here plus sign is there. Okay, then here plus 14z, because of this negative sign the all the terms sign is changing. Okay, so 16 minus 9 is equal to 7x. 23, though both terms are positive now. Okay, so 23 plus 27 is 50y, and 12 minus 14 means minus 2 will come here, minus 2z. So in this way we have to solve the example. Okay, now after horizontal and vertical arrangement inside, you have to solve the examples from practice set number 34. Okay, so then you will be get idea about it. Okay, so first of all I will show one of the example number 4th I will show you how to solve it. 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square, and we have to subtract 16x square and 17xy from this. Okay, so we will see the how to solve this example. So first of all, we will solve it by horizontal method. So here 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square minus into bracket 16x square minus 17xy. So first of all, as I told you before, negative sign is here. This is the bracket. First of all, write first bracket as it is. Then the second bracket sign will change. Plus 16x square is there, so it will be minus 16x square and minus 17xy. So here it is plus 17xy. Now take like terms together. So here it is 6x square minus 16x square. Then take xy's term together. So 7xy plus 17xy and plus 16y square. 16y square. Then here the subtraction of these both is the 10 and bigger number sign 10x square. Then 17 plus this is equal to 24xy and plus 16y square. Okay, in this way we have to solve the example by horizontal method. When vertical method is there, at that time what we have to do, here this 16y square doesn't have the like term, so this we have to carry forward as it is. Now we will see the vertical arrangement inside, how to do the solving. 6x square plus 7xy plus 16y square. Here it is minus 16x square minus 17xy, and here no term is there, so write here, keep it as it is. Otherwise you can write here 0y square, no problem. So here if you see here, as I told you before only, the signs are changing. So 16 minus 6 is equals to minus 10x square. 17 plus 7 is equal to 24xy. And the 16x square and 0 doesn't have any sign, so here remains 16y square. So this is the which method? Vertically method. That we can solve the example by vertical or horizontal, any method. But here the vertical method is means horizontal method is there, that we are using in the higher classes. So all of you do the practice of that only. Horizontal method, vertical method we are not using properly. And remaining examples from the practice set number 34, that is first, second, third and fifth, these examples you have to solve. And tomorrow we will see the multiplication of algebraic expression and division of algebraic expression. So today we will stop here only, and the next part of the lesson we will see in our next lesson. Okay, thank you and have a good day.